Good morning!
Oh, Guardian.
We're eating sweets. Good morning. Oh, look how beautiful you look today. Smile, we're on Disney. Oh, that's much better. So we're going into the park. We're going straight to the park, even though it's 9:30 and that everybody's in now. And it's our last full day.
No.
Everyone's got sore feet and sore hips, sore legs.
We're driving a bit longer.
Okay, see you in the park. Here we go through Aladdin's passage. Sick. Oh look, Odin. Go. Let me get a video of you in front of it. Aladdin's passage.
Mum, why not a picture? It's only his head. It's too small.
There he is. Odin's favourite so far has been Aladdin things.
No, Aladdin's never been Aladdin.
No, like I mean like the songs and the wee monkey. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah baby.
Camel tail.
Camel chair? Oh yeah, how cool. You're sitting on it. Of course you are. Any excuse for a 30-second sit.
No.
Not 20 minutes. You going on it?
Wait.
Do you want me to take a pair of photos? Do you want me to take a photo of you pair?
That's part of the film.
Very cool. He's probably stolen all this stuff and dropped it. You keep walking round? Is that handy? It's that one. Oh, it's the magic lamp. Oh, wow.
Have you seen the guy?
Oh yeah, that's cool. That is very cool. Jafar.
That way.
That's Jafar.
Why are her eyes like that?
Whose eyes?
Yeah, on the captain.
Because she's scared.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to get
Sweets, you're missing.
Oh no. Eh? What? Whoa.
That's you.
Oh, look at the mint genie.
not Genie, that's just the moon.
We're on Pirates of the Caribbean again.
It's been like
You love this one. We love this one.
I feel like everybody's in the other park now exploring. So everything in
Well,
this
Ollie's in the other park. Oh no, the people. Oh yeah.
like this. That's why the Pirates of the Caribbean is so short.
Emma's still in the hotel.
Emma's sleeping right now.
Emma's not sleeping. They're in the park. We're doing Big Thunder Mountain again. Here we go. Woo! Oh no, the water! We're having some loaded Doritos. Those ones have got coriander. And some churros. We've just been on Thunder Mountain, so after this we're going to, where are we going next?
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones.
Yeah, India Jones.
Okay. We're going into, what
What
is this called? Star Wars or something? Guys, don't overtake. That's rude.
Hey, Mara, she's one of
I think it's Star Wars Tours.
Star Tours.
Star Tours? Aliens! So I think this is like a simulation one. I think Ollie and Ian did it yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? But they said it was pretty fun, so we're going to give it a shot. I'll probably do it with my eyes closed. Like the Ratatouille one. I think it's VR, yeah. It better not be a blooming roller coaster. Ah. Let me see, baby. Oh my god. So beautiful. Oh, you've not got yours on. You've not got yours on. Okay, we're going in here. I can't video this, so this is the last you'll see of us. We're off to hyperspace. That one was the worst ride yet. Do you think it was worse? Or? Oh my god, I nearly chucked up. That was horrific. It's a simulation, so you put the 3D glasses things on and you're like blasting through space. Oh my god, it was horrible. Like, actually couldn't watch. I ended up closing my eyes, which made me feel more motion sickness. But I couldn't look at the screen. Horrible. I think everybody else kind of enjoyed it though. Did you enjoy that, Odin? Yeah? Is it okay? Did they? Did it make you feel sick at all, or no?
It's not that good.
It's not that good.
I know, because all it was tilting and...
It's clever though, isn't it? It's clever to do that. I think I'd rather be actually tilting though. So,
Really orange.
corn dog break. Orla, tomato sauce.
What's got it?
Let me see corn dog. Oh, we've never had proper corn dogs before. Not proper ones.
We've had them from like different...
Autumn, what do you think? Corn dog? Is it bussin'? No, you'll need that for your man kiwi face.
You could put mustard.
Bussin'?
He didn't even get sausage. Look at that wiener.
Look at that wiener.
Done before Kenny even arrived.
Is that hot, Angel?
No,
Taste for
totally.
sick. Dad wants it.
Jesus, Odin.
Another plane. Another thing. I saw 3 planes in one moment. Right there.
Okay, now what? Good?
Right there.
W.
Behind us.
4. No! Again!
You can do it, Mum.
Mum, just don't look at that bit.
Just keep your eyes open the whole way, you'll be fine.
Okay, we've lost 2.
Come on. They're gonna go to the tower.
We're gonna watch this. So Brandon, Odin, Kev. 2 came off. I thought I recognise those little faces. Why are you cross?
Because you're being annoying.
Don't be disappointed, Orla.
Yo, they're gonna go do that one. The slinky dog.
Here they go.
See, but I don't
that? There he is. How was that?
I still hate that one.
You loved it. What did you think, Angel? You loved that one?
Gummy bear.
We're gonna ride it, dudes! It's awesome! But first, a rundown of safe surfing techniques.
We finally have got on Crush's coaster. Well, we're not on yet, obviously. How long have we been in this queue?
7 minutes.
75 minutes.
Mind my mind, seagulls.
Okay, Dad, let's rip it, roll and punch it.
75 minutes. By the time we're on it, it'll be 80. Maybe even 85. This better be good. This is the only one we hadn't done.
And it's the longest waiting one as well.
And it's the longest wait.
I will be able to do the VR.
You might be able to.
Nah.
Yeah, that'll be
I don't
time.
really want to.
Oh.
I will do a few.
He doesn't really want to do it.
Orla's very happy. Orla's very happy.
Can you buy a drink?
We're having a McDonald's. Tell us. Those two are arguing. Tell us about your experience on the
Hollywood Tower.
Hollywood Tower.
You said you tried to punch
Can you do shush? What?
me in the face.
No, I didn't.
And she bit me and nicked my face. Like she just slapped me, scratched me from there.
Can you give it a rest?
Ah, wait.
Right. Go.
I like the Hollywood Tower, but the oh, shut up! The bad thing was, I didn't like the little girl. She was like a hologram, and it was a ghost, and she was
You like
like,
little girls?
"No, don't. If I were you, I would."
Sister.
And then we just instant straight
I
up.
want to punch this
But at the beginning, it didn't go to the top. It was like down, up again, down, and then to the top.
Oh my god.
And then you go down, and you literally like float a bit.
Because it's like, because you're dropping so fast.
Yeah, and you had a seatbelt that like went across your legs, so you didn't just float away.
Did it have the one that comes over
And
your
there
head?
was no, it's just a seatbelt.
Just a bar?
No, it wasn't even a bar. It's a seatbelt
Oh my
that
gosh.
only goes across your legs. And there was a handle to hold on just in case. And I had to pull it quite tight so I didn't like whee!
Fall out.
And it was pretty fun. I like the top. It opens up. You can see the whole entire park, and then you just drop.
Oh my god. I don't think I'd like that. So,
At
you're-
least you were sitting down.
so now that you have done all the rides,
except Carousel and Crush's Coaster.
Crush's Coaster and the Carousel we've not done.
every single ride.
We've done every single other ride. What is your favourite, Odin?
Big Thunder Mountain.
Big Thunder Mountain?
Guys couldn't tell them.
Do we think this is an appropriate level of food to be in somebody's face? Yep, that's it. Perfect. Oren, it's still all over your face.
That is so small compared to the other one.
That's just a normal sized burger for you.
That is. It's massive.
It's up your nose.
Everything's up my nose.
Up your nose.
Not in. Oh my.
It's not up my nose.
Jesus Christ.
Took a bit off the top and put it in the nose.
How's your cheesecake, my darling?
Can I have cheesecake? I let you order the cheesecake.
What about your chin?
I need my chin. Some cheesecake. Thank you, Mum.
Is this an appropriate amount of food to be on someone's face?
What's wrong this time? Show me a picture. What's wrong this time?
Yeah, that was nice.
Do you know what else is massive? We're on the teacup.
We're going to do a little bit of a sit because it's boring.
No, we want it to be boring, so we're not sick.
I'll control it.
Yeah.
No, you won't.
No, I'm the controller. I'll spin up tiny bit.
I spent a tiny bit.
No, you two tricked me. You said you wouldn't spin it.
Mum, your friend is too massive.
It'll make me. What do you mean?
My knees hurt from your legs. Nego, you're going to spin it. Don't spin it. I'll be sick.
things.
I swear to God, you guys.
I'm scared because I'm only gonna go.
Right, guys, let's go.
No, you don't know
Don't.
what
Oh my God. Actually, bro.
Oh, yeah, no, Spin. Let go.
There will be no fun on this. No fun.
No, let go.
Stop trying to have fun. No fun.
Let me
No,
have
no, 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 no fun. No fun. No fun. We're on the train. The kids are so happy to be on the train.
Owen is.
Look at Oren's beautiful face.
Just like you died.
We've been playing that the whole time in this.
And we've also been knee knocking each
And we've
other.
been knee knocking each other, and Kim's getting cross because I knee knocked him last minute.
Olive kicked me because I knew not.
And we're trying to put a finger in Kim's throat because it's funny.
Dad was like,
He was. It's Orla. She's really mad.
Olive's in a huff.
She's even
Oh,
biting
here we
the
go.
camera now.
Ouch! My head.
Hey, you bit me.
Look behind you.
Guys, we're up on the balloon. Look. What do you think, Odin?
Come on, we can figure out the walk.
Orla's absolutely hating it. Here's the park. Look.
Brandon said,
Can you see Disney, the Disney Castle? Look.
Hollywood Tower.
It looks so small from up here.
No, oh, it's a small one.
Oh, sorry. What do you think?
No, go away, bounce.
What do you mean no?
It's our
Do you like it?
Yeah, but go away. You need to balance. The Shire's not even that big, actually. Oh my God, Mum.
Oh, we're blowing around. Whoa.
1,000.
Look at that big dude.
Iron Man. Glossy Iron Man.
Glossy Iron Man.
Glossy Iron Man.
Shot a photo with Iron Man.
No.
Why?
He's not the favourite. He's not the favourite.
We had such a nice day today. Hey, we were up there.
Yeah. Well, not that high. But
They're looking at the massive fish. There's huge carp in these pools. Oh, there's like none over here, but there's hundreds over there.
Because they know they're going to get fed.
We've not had a chance to walk into the park, and we probably won't get one tomorrow morning, so we're walking home. It does look like it's about to get quite wet though. So this has got big carp in it. I didn't kill it. Yeah, no, but that does look like a rain cloud. Looks so nice that way though, look. And then it looks a bit rainy the other way. Look, you see the balloon?
want to apologise to Oren for calling
Yeah.
the wrong
No.
people?
Brandon.
Brandon, don't call him a
Look, more carp. Look
I'm gonna leave you
at
and
the
go.
size of them, they're
I'm gonna
huge.
leave you and go to our hotel because I really need to pee.
We're just going, sweetheart. I don't want you going near Brandon. No, when he's in the middle. Look at their little faces.
They look so weird because their eyes look like eyes and their noses look like eyes.
Their noses do look like eyes, don't
I
they?
can't tell what's the eyes.
They're so sweet. People clearly feed them all the time. Look at them. So cool. There's one leaving. They're all like, feed me. God, my voice is just absolutely knackered from all the screaming. I know, what? Please get your shoes up. Odin, please get your shoes up from there. You're not going to get them to suck your toes. Suck my toes. And a ducky. What more could you want? Big carp and a ducky.
Hello. They probably think it's feeding time.
Oh, they're cute, aren't they? There we go, we're at the Cheyenne, Orla. Back into the park. that handsome character. And we're going in. We're going to watch the fireworks for the last night. Aaron really wants to though. And obviously go on a couple of rides, because why the heck not? Don't, what, Aaron? Exactly, Aaron's got a sore ear apparently. It's our last time walking in like this. Yes it is.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, no, but it's night, isn't it?
You're here tomorrow.
We won't have another night walking in.
Oh, nice.
Hold my arm, my love.
This is a bogey stuck in my nose.
Where else would a bogey be stuck?
In my mouth.
Oh, it's so pretty. I'm looking forward to the fireworks tonight.
Tom, have you uploaded many videos yet?
I uploaded one, but it was taking so long, it's probably not done.
I haven't watched
Right.
it in a while.
We're gonna have to find the hills as well.
Me too, Alice.
And enjoy your dog before.
On the carousel!
So slow. I'm hoping it'll be fast.
Tomorrow, so you can see you above everyone else.
We're waiting on the show. You want your headphones on?
Oh, I'm too hot. Actually, not this joke.
It's not cold, is it?
Hello.
Everything hurts.
My shoulders.
Oh no, you're on the ground. Oops.
There goes the Doritos.
Oh what? Why is everyone moving forward?
There goes the stampede again.
Just hold your ground. Hold your ground. Hold your ground
Hey,
here.
Sonic, the fireworks
You
are
can stand on the railing.
We nearly got murdered tonight trying to get to these fireworks. Better be good.
Right, how much weight do you have there?
Stop going. Stop going.
For as long as we can remember, we've been told wondrous tales of magic, of fairy wands,
de sortilèges,
and wishing stars. But not all magic is something you see with your eyes. Sometimes magic is something you feel inside.
I've landed on a strange planet with a formidable fortress. We need to secure the area.
Wow!
Not today, sir. The real magic is in our friendship. To infinity and beyond!
Oh, then you need to sit up nice and straight, sweetheart.
There's no people there. You don't let
Please be thankful you can see, because I can see nothing.
Look at me.
Our curiosity leads us all to look for magic.
On a souvent tendance à chercher la magie. Mais de temps en temps, c'est la magie.
Oh, then sit up nice and straight, baby.
But every once in a while, magic finds us.
Beautiful.
How do they do those things?
That's a drone.
Drawing to then.
Il suffit d'un battement de cœur pour que la magie prenne vie.
When you find love in your heart, the world becomes a magical place.
This is sitting down, it's hurting my back. My back hurts. Taken down.
What? That was fun. That was fun.
There is nothing wrong with La Casa Maldita. The magic is strong.
se trouve en chacun de nous. Alors partez à sa recherche et répandez-la autour de vous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on.
That's our last night, guys. And the fireworks were amazing. We're all walking back. Right, come away from there because the water's really close to the edge. Stay on the path. Both of you on the path.
Mom,
Okay. Brandon Zofsky, he wants to get back. He's way ahead of us.
he's opening it up again because he got something wrong again.
Oh, sharp on.